Welcome to Easy Creator Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to create an SMT. Using have a ready or easy just for propagating NST on a good robe in this means begin.
Open your Canva and secure your logo. Open create a blank logo. Oh sorry wait a minute. Scroll down and open app. Search here simple QR. Open QR code. Paste here your YouTube channel link and click generate. Oh wow, your QR is ready. Adjust your QR in blank sheet. And download from here. I hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe my YouTube video for many informative videos. Thanks for watching and bye bye.